The zest of life. A deep dive into citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, with their vibrant colors, invigorating aromas, and tangy sweet flavors, have captivated palates and nourished bodies for centuries. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, among others, stand as pillars of this family, offering a treasure trove of nutritional benefits and versatile culinary applications. This article delves into the fascinating world of citrus, exploring their origins, nutritional profiles, health advantages, culinary uses, and the science behind their unique characteristics. Origins and global spread. The story of citrus begins in Southeast Asia, specifically in the region encompassing parts of modern-day India, Myanmar, and China. From these origins, citrus fruits embarked on a journey of global dissemination, carried by trade routes, migration, and exploration. Oranges. Citrus sinensis believed to have originated in Southeast Asia. Sweet oranges spread westward through the Silk Road, reaching the Mediterranean region. Spanish explorers introduced them to the Americas in the 15th century, where they thrived in the warm climates. Lemons. Citrus limon. Their origins are debated, but they are thought to have originated in either northeast India, northern Myanmar or China. They spread through the Mediterranean region and were later introduced to the Americas. Grapefruits. Citrus paradisea, a relative newcomer to the citrus family. Grapefruits are thought to have originated in Barbados as a natural hybrid of the pomelo and the sweet orange. They were later introduced to Florida and became a significant crop in the United States. Nutritional powerhouses. Citrus fruits are renowned for their exceptional nutritional value, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that contribute to overall health and well-being. Vitamin C. Perhaps their most well-known attribute, citrus fruits are excellent sources of vitamin C, an essential antioxidant that supports immune function, collagen synthesis, and iron absorption. One medium orange can provide over 100% of the daily recommended value. Fiber. Citrus fruits are rich in dietary fiber, which promotes digestive health, regulates blood sugar levels, and contributes to feelings of satiety. Flavonoids. These powerful antioxidants, including hesperidin, neurogenin, and limonene, possess anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and anti-cancer properties. Potassium. Citrus fruits are a good source of potassium, an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood pressure. Folate. Folate, a B vitamin, is essential for cell growth and development, particularly important during pregnancy. Health benefits. The unique combination of nutrients in citrus fruits translates to a wide range of health benefits. Immune system support. The high vitamin C content strengthens the immune system, helping the body fight off infections and illnesses. Cardiovascular health. Flavonoids and potassium contribute to healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in citrus fruits may help protect against certain types of cancer. Improved digestion. Dietary fiber promotes regular bowel movements and supports a healthy gut microbiome. Skin health. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which helps maintain skin elasticity and youthful appearance. Kidney stone prevention. Citric acid, abundant in lemons and limes, can help prevent the formation of kidney stones. Culinary versatility. Citrus fruits are indispensable ingredients in cuisines worldwide, adding a burst of flavor and acidity to a wide array of dishes. Oranges, eaten fresh, juiced, are used in marmalades, sauces, and desserts. Orange zest adds a fragrant touch to baked goods and savory dishes. Lemons, used to add acidity and brightness to dressings, marinades, sauces, and beverages. Lemon juice is a staple in many cuisines, and lemon zest adds a powerful aroma. Grapefruits, eaten fresh, juiced, are used in salads and desserts. Their unique bittersweet flavor adds depth to cocktails and savory dishes. Juicing. Citrus fruits are often juiced for their refreshing and nutritious beverages. Freshly squeezed orange juice is a breakfast staple, while lemonade and grapefruit juice are popular thirst quenchers. Zest. The aromatic outer layer of citrus peel, known as zest, is a flavorful ingredient used in baking, cooking, and cocktails. Marmalades and preserves. Citrus fruits are used to make marmalades and preserves, which capture their intense flavor and extend their shelf life. The science behind the zest. The characteristic aroma and flavor of citrus fruits are due to the presence of volatile compounds, primarily terpenes, in the peel. Limonene. This compound, abundant in orange and lemon peels, is responsible for the characteristic citrus scent. Nootkatone. Found in grapefruits, nootkatone contributes to their unique aroma and flavor. Citric acid. The characteristic tartness of citrus fruits is due to the presence of citric acid, a natural acid that also acts as a preservative. Varieties and cultivation. Each citrus fruit has numerous varieties, each with its own unique characteristics. Oranges. Navel oranges, Valencia oranges, blood oranges, and mandarin oranges are some of the most popular varieties. Lemons. Eureka lemons, Lisbon lemons, and Meyer lemons are widely cultivated. Grapefruits. Ruby red grapefruits, white grapefruits, and pink grapefruits offer variations in color and sweetness. Citrus trees thrive in warm, sunny climates with well-drained soil. They are propagated through grafting and require careful management to ensure optimal fruit production. Conclusion. Citrus fruits, with their vibrant colors, invigorating flavors, and remarkable nutritional profiles, are truly gifts from nature. From their ancient origins in Southeast Asia to their global presence in modern cuisines, these fruits continue to enrich our lives. Whether enjoyed fresh, juiced, or used as ingredients in culinary creations, oranges, lemons, and grapefruits provide a zestful reminder of the power of nature's bounty. The scientific understanding of their components, and the continuing agricultural effort to provide high-quality fruit, will ensure that citrus maintains its place as a vital part of the human diet.